Okay guys, I'm doing it. I'm finally doing it. You know, I think when there is something that is stopping you from doing a project, something that you are kind of procrastinating on, which I have been doing with this, there's a reason behind it. You need to kind of figure that out, write it out, journal it out. Why am I stopping myself? Why am I not doing this? This basement has been a sore spot or a anxiety ridden space for me. You know, merging two homes together with my mom's things and then what we had, getting rid of things getting stuffed in closets and just so much stuff around. It has really made me just stop and not do anything. And so I really kind of went through, figured out what's stopping me, what's going on with me, and I'm doing it. I'm letting go and I'm doing it, and I'm gonna make it fabulous. So I've just got started. I'm gonna show you what I've done so far and what is ahead of me. Okay, so we'll start here in the guest room. As you know, in one of my last videos, I had guests coming, so I had to go through and get this all cleared up. So what I've come in here today and done is, this is all of my organizing stuff, my bins, my different organizing things that are going to be put in this closet that we're working on. My parents' old records, you know, a balloon machine. We're going to have some extra like party supplies, extra decor, possibly. This is all stuff that is either my daughter's for when she moves out, or these were like projects that their classroom would do every year. Let's see, well, whose is this one? This one is my baby girl's, I think. Yep, here she is right there in Miss Jilly's class. Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and the frame of the glass is all broken, so I'm gonna take the glass out, but then say this was right after 9/11. But just things that, just memories from, you know, like plays they did and just different fun stuff from their school from when they were kids. So that's gonna get boxed up for keepsakes for them. Then here is all the additional, I've just been stockpiling, organizing stuff for this closet. So everything, and then we've got some, you know, like exercise equipment I need to find a spot for. So everything in this room right now is going to be going in the closet that I will show you, except that's going to the cabin and then just some cleanup stuff. But this is the real disaster. I mean, can you even imagine? And I'm somebody who is extremely organized, but this is just, when my mom moved in, they just threw stuff in here to get it out of the way for her. I mean, and then if there was, I still have things of my son's here that never got moved out. I mean, it goes, like, I'm not even kidding, it goes way back. And then there's actually, back there is actually a cabinet under the staircase that I'll be putting like all their keepsake stuff. But like, I can't even get in here yet, but like you can see all of my daughter's American Girl doll stuff. And, you know, picture frames and things from when they were kids. And I don't even know, crutches are up there. I don't even know. I mean, I'm just at a loss. There's a Dunkin' Donuts bag. I don't know where that is from. I mean, this is just crazy. So this is what I'm working on and what I've been putting off, and maybe you can understand why. Then this is the hallway here. This is stuff, extra sheets of my mom's that will be making this into her like linen closet. You know, stuff. This will be going in that closet, extra backup, you know, supplies. Yeah. just a menagerie of different stuff. We get a little bit closer and we get decorated some areas, and then we get more stuff here. But this is, again, we had a flood down here, so everything got moved out, which some of it had never even been through. So this is the beginning of the basement. And then, you know, stuff. And she got this really fun couch for down here. More stuff. And then we built these cabinets in for her additional clothes and stuff. And then we got to figure out all the picture frames and stuff and more stuff. And we've got more closets and extra storage up here and bookshelves. And then we need to do something pretty out here so she has something to look out at. And then her books and picture frames and stuff. I'm not even sure. Haven't got that far yet. But she got this beautiful case here, which is actually, you can't see it because of the stuff, but it's a fireplace. So we're gonna make this beautiful, She got a new coffee table and her couch that she bought. We're gonna make this all beautiful. And these new shelves we're going to make beautiful. So this is the beginning tour of the basement. Now in this video I am only working on the closet, one baby step at a time. Okay, so I guess my plan of attack is just to bring everything out and sort it and put it with like items and try to figure out how we're going to box it up, what we're going to save, have the kids come and take a look, is it something they want, and try to get rid of a lot of stuff is my goal, because we need to. And that's just what I'm going to do. I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. Okay, well, we're making progress. We can see the floor. We've got progress going. And now everything's in here, and now what we're gonna do is be sorting, because it's my daughter's keepsakes, it's my son's keepsakes, it's party stuff, it's a lot of stuff. So now we gotta start sorting. Okay, so I am making some good progress. I think what I want to do is I've got this room pretty much cleared out, but I think what's going to make it easier for me is to get all the shelving cleaned, and so I can bring some of the stuff that's coming in here back in here, excuse me, so that I have more room in the guest room of the sorting, you know what I mean, as I get the bins situated and that type of thing for the kids' keepsake stuff. I kind of need a little bit more room. So if I clean this area and get some of that stuff out, then I can work in there and separate. So that's the plan. So here's kind of a simple solution I came up with. These are kind of like my mom's go-to cleaning for down here. So her mop and her vacuum. So I'm just I got them off the floor with these great little command hooks. They're kind of for almost like a broom. They're great. I got them at Target. And then, you know, I just use these hooks for, you know, I might as well keep these in case anybody got hurt and needs crutches. We don't have to buy them again. This, unfortunately, I've had to use in the past just because my back had gone completely out. So, I mean, again, might as well keep it, but we don't need it in anywhere. And this is right behind this closet door, you know, so it won't, it's completely, you know, out of sight. And we don't have to see it, but we have it. Okay, since this is kind of a hard place to be filming as I'm doing it because it's not that huge of a room. Okay, so this is all of my stockpile of paper towels and toilet paper. And I've just placed everything up high, out of the way, but we know we have it. I swear to you, I'm not one of those people that just went in and hoarded all the toilet paper and paper towels. This was over a extended period of time after we couldn't get the things. And I just told myself I was not going to get, excuse the pun, you know, caught with my pants down and having no toilet paper. So I feel pretty good about it. I think we're okay. Okay, so now I have all of the floors cleared. Okay. It's actually a very big, you know, under the stair closet. And then in these cabinets, there's even more storage. So my kids always said it was like the haunted little area of, of our house. So, you know, it was a lot of space. So now I'm just going to vacuum and clear off the floor even better. This is what I'm thinking. I've got the floor all cleaned. I think this was something that was at my mom's house for so many years, and she got it because it reminded her of her and my dad, and just, you know, being grandparents and just having your family around you. So I think I'm going to put that right here just for a little pop of color. Of course, I've got my backstock. I think what we're going to do, this is just kind of the like workout equipment, you know, bands, that kind of thing, some weights, just a few little things, our roller balls, and just a couple little things that we're gonna keep. And I think this is a good place for now to keep. I promise you, I'm not a, you know, like afraid the end of the world is coming, but I had a family member who insisted we get this, so I've got that for food. This is my extra, like, comforter and my beddies and just my comforters and stuff. So that can just store easily down here. So this over here is like my balloon helium tank. All my parents, you know, like old records and some of mine. These are books, Disney books that were my kids and my niece and nephew. And I'm just kind of saving them for my grandkids. So we'll keep them down here. And then up in these bins, what I'm going to go ahead and do, like this is already, I put in just different party supplies that I have. And I have another one like this that I'm going to put right here with more party supplies. And then I've got some like Hawaiian themed stuff. So like if I have a themed party like football and you know what I mean, that kind of thing, I'm going to put them up in these bins, I do believe. And then I think I'm going to put all of my stored florals over here. And I actually have one more space for one of these if I need more for like party supplies. And then I've got a bin of extra garlands that I use that I think I'm going to put right here. And then I've got, you know, I've got a good amount of space. So, and then I just hung, obviously you saw these, but then I just hung this for my mom. So if she needs to hang some extra whatevers, she can hang that stuff here. This stuff is going to be going into the kids' storage area. But we've got, you know, some space here. If I need some organizational stuff from my mom, I can do that here. So it's looking good. Okay, so this is the final product. I cannot believe this room, I mean, is literally walkable. We can actually get in. It is all organized. This area might not stay. We might need to put some things in here for my mom. But this is all party stuff is what my vision is. But you know what? We might need some spot for my mom's stuff. But this is all books that are for the kids that they're not quite ready for. Old records, the balloon maker, all of my extra florals. I have them all nice and organized so that when I need a specific item, I can come in and take a look and get what I need. These are all my extra garlands. Exercise stuff and extra decor. We hung our favorite little picture that's been with my mom for a long time. All of her cleaning supplies and, you know, the crutches and stuff. If God forbid anybody needs it, we'll have extra storage from my mom. And then this is just some extra things that my daughters were just holding for my daughter. And then all of their keepsakes went in under here. So, I mean, can you believe it? After what it was, you couldn't even see the floor. We actually have a floor. There's carpet, and it is wonderful. Okay, so that is it. Guys, remember, when you are facing a project that you keep putting off and you kind of keep, you know, putting it to the side or whatever, it's usually because it's bringing up something inside of you. So, you know, really try to digest what that is and kind of pinpoint, like, for me, you know, there's just so much stuff down here. And I think that's part of what kind of puts me to where I just put it off, is because there's so much stuff. And that's frustrating for me. So, you know, I kind of pinpointed and figured out how I was going to handle that, and how, you know, we're just going to move forward and, you know, make this the best space possible. So, you know, just really don't put something off, you know, figure out what it is that's bothering you and work on it, and you know, bring it out and get going on it and everything. So I hope I gave you some inspiration. This sure should be inspirational. This was a complete disaster, and I really hope that seeing that, you know, I pushed through this and I got this done, and now it's a space that is functional and that works for us. And I hope that you can do the same in an area in your home, because that's my whole goal, is helping you create what is it, your heart and your soul, and making your home, no matter the size, no matter anything, making it your home, your story, your family story, and helping you create just your happy place. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and that you hit your notifications. We've got a lot of great content coming up with Christmas and decorating. Have a great day. Bye.